Hi friends, welcome to Nisha's Food Hut. Today we are going to see some useful tips that helps in our kitchen. Starting with the banana leaves. If you see, I'm left over with a bulk of banana leaves and I am in a situation to make it as fresh as possible as it is now. So to keep it fresh for a long time, I'm just going to arrange all the banana leaves neatly. That is, if you see, I'm just going to arrange the banana leaves by arranging one on one by the stem of the banana leaves, and I'm going to just roll it. Make sure that you have grabbed all the stems of all the leaves that you have and roll it well so that none is left back. So I have rolled all the banana leaves which I have. Next, I'm going to use a wet towel cloth. The towel cloth should be as big as the banana leaves are, and I'm just going to place the rolled banana leaves in the center of the wet towel, and I'm going to just wrap it and roll it downwards. The wetness in the cloth and the moisture in it helps the banana leaves to be very fresh. It helps the banana leaves to be very fresh for a long period of time. So now we can keep it as per our preference and use the banana leaves whenever we are in need. Next, I am going to show you the easiest recipe of all to keep the green chilies without getting stowed. I'm just going to remove all the stem of the green chilies and I'm going to store in an airtight container, and I'm going to place it in the fridge, which helps the green chilies to stay fresh along. Now if you see, I'm having a bowl of onion and potatoes. Please don't mix all the potatoes with the onions because the potato loses its freshness and it becomes stale as well. It is always preferred to keep the onions separate and the potato separate. Sometimes the potato turns sweet too due to the smell of the onion. The next thing is a very interesting one. If you want the coconut to be as fresh as it is when you bought, you're going to just place it in a cooker with 2 cups of water in it, and I'm going to cook it for 5 whistles in medium flame. No matter how much you want, all it takes is the 4 to 5 whistles in medium flame. And after cooking it, if you see, the color of the water that has got steamed and cooked is changed. The coconut is properly cooked. This process is done just to scoop up the coconut shell and the pulp separately. You can use this water for the plant as it is the best fertilizer. If you see now, when I broke it, the pulp and the shell came out separately. For the pulp, you can just cut into tiny pieces and you can store it on an airtight container so that you can use whenever you're preparing something in your kitchen. It always helps a lot. It stays fresh. As it is cooked, it doesn't have to take its own time for cooking. If you have not subscribed to my channel Nisha's Food Hut, please subscribe. If you have any interesting recipes that you like, please let me know. Stay watching. Thank you.